Hey everyone, Jose here from Rivian Tracker. Today we're going to be installing the new Kammok Rivian Awning that they released. I bought it on the gear shop using some referral points. And so today I'm going to show you what it looks like to unbox it, to lay it out, get it installed, and load it up here on my Rivian R1T up on the roof. Gotta move these crossbars over to the roof. I'm inside my garage because it's a little warm outside, but we're going to go ahead and get this installed, review it, and show you how it works. Stay tuned for this awesome new Rivian Tracker video. All right, I got the big boy box opened up. Hardware inside, do not trash. So there's gonna be hardware in the corners. It's well packaged to prevent it from getting damaged. So let's go ahead and take it out of this wrapping, lay it out here on the floor. Okay, so here we've got all the hardware that comes. We've got QR code for the installation guide. These are some rubber pads that I think are gonna go at the bottom of these bracelets. Hardware here, good stuff. Over here, we've got the actual big boy with the branding right there. So I'm gonna set up a tripod. I'm gonna put on some music, and we're gonna get this loaded up to put on top of my R1T. We're gonna move those up here and get everything loaded up. So enjoy this time lapse of me doing that. right, you guys, after a good hour of installing the awning, it is complete, and there it is. I strongly recommend that if you have somebody else to help you, you do that. I did not have anybody else to help me, so it took a little bit of extra effort, as you probably saw in the video, but let me turn the camera on and show you what this looks like now. So there is what the truck looked like with the awning on top. It is adjustable, so you can move it forward and back however you like as you set it up. That is kind of what it looks like. It's pretty thin. And then let me show you here how you can unlock it. So we have the lock it here. This is unlocked, this is locked. So we're gonna unlock it. These are magnetic, so you just pull them to the side and they come off. Pull them to the side, they come off. And then you pull, you get your first ratchet right there. So that is your shortest version of the awning. This is your second longest version of the awning. And then you get one more. Third version of the awning. That is what that looks like. So you get an idea of what that looks like from the top, from the side. So this can withstand up to 25 mile per hour winds. Pretty, you know, it's, you know, don't hang anything from it. It is not recommended to hang, but you get a decent amount of shade. You can open the doors up, hang out inside the car, put some chairs out, enjoy the beautiful evening with the little lake here and the gators. Let's turn this around so you can see from the back. There you go. So that is the Rivian awning. You get a nice little branding right here. And then to put it away, you just rinse and repeat, usually with 2 hands, but you can pull it and then it will ratchet itself back inside just like that. You'll lock it right here, and then you'll just attach these magnetic thingies, straps, so that they don't, they have like a little way of getting inside. So you just have to get it, there you go. Perfect. So gives you some warnings and all that, but that is what it looks, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed putting this on my truck. I look forward to taking it out to the beach and enjoying it, keeping it on here for a little while. We'll see how efficiency is impacted with this thing on top of my truck, but hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.